If you know the deflection or flexure formula, you know they are two of the bending formulas in engineering. But do you know their experimental basis or how they are derived? In this video, we are going to conduct an experiment to see a visual proof of these engineering bending formulas. First of all, we're going to get a highly deformable material. What I have here is a sponge. Now, on the side, we're going to draw a horizontal line and several vertical lines. Make sure they are straight, although the ones on this sponge aren't perfectly straight because it is hard to do. Now, let, let us bend the sponge. First, we can observe that the horizontal lines have become curved. Second, the vertical lines are still straight, but they have rotated. Let us take note of this observation because we will use them to derive some important equations in structural engineering. Another important observation can be seen in our second experiment. Just draw horizontal lines like this in the video, a top line, center line, and bottom line. Then draw vertical lines on the sides. Now, let's bend this sponge. We can observe that the top line got shorter while the bottom line got longer. The center line, however, became curved, but its length did not change, or at least the change was extremely small. In short, the portion above the center line is compressed, while the portion below the center line is stretched. Also, we take note that the sponge has a symmetrical cross section. So for the summary of observations, if you bend an object, horizontal lines became curved, while vertical lines remain straight but rotated. When bent in U-shape, the top portion got shorter, while the bottom portion got longer, and the center did not change length. Now that we know these observations, we have the knowledge to derive the important equations in structural engineering, one of which is the Flexure Formula. But we will go through these formulas in detail one by one in each video. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.